Measures 1.5 in wide by 16 feet. Length highly visible Stanley yellow straps with reinforced edges. Vinyl-coated J-hooks, for a non-marring hold, protecting your cargo and vehicle. Durable. Ratcheting component adjusts the straps from 1 foot to 16 feet in length to easily and safely secure cargo. Load limit. Safe working load limit of 1,100 pounds, brake strength of 3,300 pounds. Ergonomic ratchet handle, with angular grip and a premium release lever for ease of use. Top reviews from the United States. Good straps, but the ends don't bend around a full 180 degree. Look closely. Good straps. Using for boat to tie down rear to trailer. Ratcheting works smoothly. Drawback is the S at the end of the strap only bends around about 120 degrees and not a full 180 degrees. See the photos on the item. May not work pending your application.